Welcome back everyone. In this video we're going to explore the L3 skills component. I've gone ahead and logged into the News2You website as a student, and we are the sample student again. So we are going to click the L3 skills tile, and it will bring you up to a dashboard like this. Everyone's dashboard is going to be a different color and have different games. So if yours doesn't look exactly like this, that's okay. I've customized them based on what skills that you're working on. So everybody's is going to be a little different, though some of you may have some of these games. Now my internet is being really slow right now, so I went ahead and loaded a game in another tab. I've loaded this shooting hoops nouns matching words to symbols. As you can see, shooting hoops nouns matching words to symbols. And so we're going to play it.
Choose a ball that matches the symbol.
Okay, so this symbol here is a picture of a house. So we're going to choose the house. See? Okay.
All right.
Ooh, we got 2 points for that one.
Choose a ball that matches the symbol.
So now I'm going to choose the wrong word on purpose. Okay, so this is a tree, so I'm not going to choose the tree. I'm going to choose school so we can see what happens. And oh, it didn't go into the basket. But it looks like it gives us another opportunity, so I'm going to go ahead and throw the correct one in.
Good job.
Oh, and see, it still gave us the 2 points for it. So it gives you the opportunity.
Choose a ball that matches the symbol.
It still gives you the opportunity to choose the correct word, and if you look over here, there is a little progress bar that kind of tells you how far you're going. So we're going to exit out, stop playing the game. And you can see that you have a variety of games. Now these are all English language arts games. There's some red games, there's yellow games, there's green games. I believe green is English language arts and red is life skills, and blue is English language arts, red is life skills. I think green is math maybe. So they're sorted by color based on what they are. If you hover over this icon, it will tell you that it has accessibility features for people who are blind or hearing impaired. Most of you aren't going to need those. So don't worry about that. Some of the games will have that, some won't. This will allow you to add it to your favorites list if you want to. Otherwise, just click somewhere on it and it will allow you to play the game. And that's it. That is how to do L3 skills.